Good morning. I'm Jim here at Miracle Ford in Gallatin, Tennessee. What I wanted to do this morning is do a brief overview on the new Ford Ranger, the 2021. As you can see, this one is an XLT. The Ranger does come in three different trim levels, an XL, XLT, and Lariat. As far as the powertrain on the vehicle, it has a 2.3 liter four-cylinder turbo engine with a 10-speed transmission, capable, properly equipped, of towing up to 7,600 pounds. Now, the differences being your XL, you're basically going to get your cloth seats and a vinyl interior, so it's easy to maintain. It's more of a work truck. Your XLT is a step up. It's a little more luxurious. You get the cloth seats. You can get heated and power cloth seats in the XLT. Then you go to the Lariat. It comes with your standard heated power leather seats in the vehicle, okay? Looking on the outside of it, this truck, we have done some accessories too, just to bring up a point. I mean, the step bars. Now here, we did a lift kit, got oversized wheels and tires on it. It also has the roll bar. Now you can also add a tonneau cover. There's a number of different variations for your tonneau cover. You can also do a bed liner. And if you so desire, you can put a cap on the vehicle also, okay? So let's take a walk to the inside of the vehicle and take a look at some of the features. Okay, being the XLT model, some of the things on this vehicle, safety oriented especially, you have your lane keeping assist system. You have your blind spot mirrors, so it has the blind spot alert. It will alert you of vehicles around you. This vehicle also comes with the big screen for your backup camera. You can get it with available navigation, a couple of different packages. If you look through here, you've got it's four-wheel drive. You have your controls here, USB ports, 12-volt ports here. Has auto lamps, so your headlights, you can set the automatic to come on at night. Of course, you've got your Bluetooth system, sync your phones up, even use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, use Waze if you want. If it doesn't have navigation on it, that's a way to get it. So now let's go to the back and I'll explain a little bit about the back on this. As you can see, anybody who's owned one of the older Rangers, immediately you realize that now it comes in a four-door version, but you have a lot more room. The Ranger now is basically about 25% bigger than the original version done in the 80s up through the early 2000s. What's nice about this, you have a lot of room. You still have your outlets back here. You have your USB ports, which are convenient for anybody in the back wanting to use their phones, charge their phones, or whatever the case may be. Also, if you use a laptop, I mean, you plug it in, you can keep a laptop going. Okay, we at Miracle Ford consider all of our customers as family. And we do offer what they call the VIP program to all of our customers on vehicles that qualify. In that VIP program is a lifetime powertrain warranty, which basically covers your engine, transmission, driveline, anything involved with the powertrain for as long as you own the vehicle. The idea here at Miracle Ford is to put dreams in driveways, so we want to put your dream in your driveway.